Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and I need to solve this system by graphing. Both these equations are in slope-intercept form, so let's start with the orange equation. I start at -3, and I go up 2 over 1. On the blue equation, I start at -7, and I go down 2 over 1, and everything crosses right here at -1, -5. Right, green equation, it tells me to start at -4 and go down 5 over 1. This one tells me to start at 0 and go down 1 over 1. And they come together right here at, it's at -1, 1. All right, both these are in slope-intercept form. The green one, it's telling me to start at 2 and to go down 1 over 1. Purple equation, start at -1, go down 2 over 1. And they cross right here at -3, 5. Right, green equation, start at -2 and go up 1 over 1. Purple equation, start at 1 and go up 2 over 1, and they cross right here at -3, -5. Both in slope-intercept form. Blue equation says start at 4, go down 6 over 1. Orange equation start at -3, go up 1 over 1, and we're at 1, -2. Okay. Depending on when you're doing this, you may or may not stop right now. But this one, notice I'm starting to get things in standard form and slope-intercept. So slope-intercept, let's start with the green equation. I start at 1 and I go down 4 over 1. The other one, I have x plus y equals 4. So x equals 4, y equals 4. I'm using the mini equation method. Depending on, once again, depending on when I've assigned this IXL, I may or may not expect you to be able to do that. But, so I have x equals 4, y equals 4. Actually, let me get out of the drawing mode. X equals 4. Okay, let's go back to this one. X equals 4, y equals 4. And this guy is start at 1, go down 4 over 1. And it's crossing at -1, comma 5. -1, comma 5. This is a vertical line at horizontal line at y equals 3. I know how to graph that one. This guy right here, I'm going to actually do some work for. So I have 3x minus y equals 3. So 3x equals 3. -y equals 3. So x equals 1. Y equals -3. And those are my intercepts. And I'm about to graph them. X equals 1, y equals -3, there we go, and it comes together at 2, comma 3. Okay, so this one, I can break it into 2 equations, so I have x equals -3, y equals -3. And this one is a vertical line through -3. So where do they meet? They meet at -3, comma 0. All right, so if I solve this, 3x equals -6, which means x equals 2. Actually, x equals -2. negative 2y equals negative 6, so y equals 3. There's the first line. This is slope-intercept. Start at 4, up 1 over 1. Where do they meet? They meet at 2 comma 6. All right, let's jump a level, see how they change. They don't. This is still a standard form that's totally normal and a slope-intercept form that's totally normal. I'll do this one and I'm going to call it good. So if I have 2x equals 10, x equals 5, 5y equals 10, y equals 2. This one starts at 5, goes up 1 over 5, and they come together at, what's that, negative 5, comma 4. All right, that's good enough for this one.